Hello Unifii members, this is Troy Chambers for your weekend review for October 7th to the 13th for the advanced Binance daily signals. To begin with, let's take a look at the disclaimer, which we need to remind you that trading is risky and do not risk capital that you cannot afford to lose. Past results is in no way a guarantee of future performances. All the steps that are covered and reviewed in this review can be found in your Binance step-by-step trading, which is available in the back office and in the Telegram group. This is what it looks like here, and this is on the Binance chart. Just to have a closer look, this is a 30-minute chart. Each one of these candles is 30 minutes. And our first signal came in on October 7th at 5:02 a.m. at 65.56. There she is there at the bottom. And our last week we ended up the week with a buy at 65.97. So this trade actually is a loss because we had to sell lower. But as in past weeks, I always start the week off assuming that we're starting fresh with one BTC. But at the same time, I did want to show you that this one here is a loss if you go by a rolling week. Best price available for this signal was 65.48, with stop losses at 66.78 and 67.44 for 3%. Total loss for this trade would have been 0.74%. Next signal still on the 7th. At 11:02 p.m. at 65.93 for a buy, signal number 2. And there she is up there. Best price available for this one is 65.93 with 2% stop loss at 64.61 and 63.95. This one produced a loss of BTC of 0.0068. So October 9th is the next signal at 5:02 a.m. for 66.42 for a sell. Signal number 3. And there's our previous buy. And our sell is a little higher. At best price available for this one is 66.39. with stop losses at 67.71 and 3% is 68.38. Trade is a nice positive 0.7%. Next signal, October 10th at 5:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time at 66.31. And this is signal number 4 for the week. And there we go. And it's right there at the top. We had a nice little downtrend here, which would have been, it didn't quite get to 3%. It was not even at 2%. So there was no take profit. So this was the first buying opportunity. Our stop losses are set at 64.96 and 64.30 for a gain in BTC of 0.0013. Okay, next signal came in a sell at 11:02 p.m. It is at 63.23. This is signal number 5. So we had this buy up here. The market drops right out and our stop losses get kicked in at 64.96. So we actually got into the sell before the signal, which the signal price is available at 63.17. So this one here is a bit of a loss of only 2.01%. So much better than if we let her ride all the way down. This is emphasizes the importance of putting in your stops. Next signal going to be a buy October 11th at 11:02 p.m. 63.19. This is signal number 6. And there's our stop loss there where we got in for the sell at 64.96. Best price available for this one is 63.25, which puts it just right down there. So she consolidated down. It's a good place to have a buy. This one produced a gain of 0.0269 BTC. I like it. Next signal, October 12th for a sell at 5:02 a.m. for 63.09. And this is signal number 7 for the week. There's our buy at 63.25. And there's our sell at 63.13. A little bit lower. And this one would have our stops at 64.39 and 65.10. This one resulted in a loss of 0.19%. Next signal was still on October 12th at 11:02 a.m. 63.06. And this is signal number 8. There's our sell at 63.13. And the best possible price for this one is 63.07. And stop loss is 61.80 and 61.17 for 3%. Market really going sideways. Really tough to trade this stuff. This one still produced a gain of 0.009 BTC. As long as if we're getting that BTC up there, I'm happy. Alright, next signal still October 12th at 5:02 p.m. This one came in at 62.98, and this is signal number 9 for a sell. There she is there. Best price available for this one is right on the mark of 6,300. And stop losses would be placed at 64.26 and 64.89 for 3%. This one produced a loss of 0.12%. Alright, October 13th, the last signal is going to be at 63.27 at 5:02 a.m. And there it is there, signal number 10. Okay, best price available for this one is 63.22. And stop loss is placed at 61.95 and 61.32. This one produced a slight loss in BTC of 0.0036 BTC. So we had a total of 10 trades. 4 of them were winners for a total profit of $230. We had losing trades of 6 for a loss of $266. Our BNB fees are $48.74. Profit and loss is still 1.89. And BTC gain of 0.019. That's where we get our increase of dollars, is because we're actually up $120 over if you just had buy and hold. Even though we had more losses than we had wins, because we increased our BTC, we're actually ahead of the game. All right, that's it for the week of October 7th. Happy trading, people.